I recently took a tree down in my yard, and I don't want to go through the expense of renting a stump grinder or, manually digging this out. But this is a great application for a Kutzall shaping disc. I've got a flat, extra coarse disc on my corded angle grinder, and I'm going to take it, smooth it out, bring it down to ground level, and that way I don't have to worry about my tractor hitting it when I'm cutting the lawn. So I've hogged out a ton of material with this shaping disc, and there's a lot of wet wood stuck in the teeth here. This is really easy with the Kutzall tools to clean. Propane torch, I'm gonna burn it right out. In less than 30 minutes, I was able to take this stump down, contoured it to the ground. As you saw, the cleaning process was very easy, so I'll pull this shaping disc off, clean it up, it'll be ready for the next job. Overall, this is a great application for the Kutzall shaping discs.